students, welcome back to Physics with SAFDAR. Now you are watching FBISE Physics Past Paper Solution series. Today we are going to solve class 9 paper 2017 multiple choice questions. So let's begin the lesson. Question number 1. Which one of the following unit is not a derived unit? In theory we have two type of units, base units and derived units. Base units are 7 in numbers and all other units are called derived units. So let's check one by one. The Pascal, it's a derived unit. Kilogram is the base unit. Newton, it's a derived unit. Watt, it also a derived unit. So in this given option, which one is not a derived unit? That is kilogram. So that is the final answer. Question number 2. The speed is given and the question is, this speed in standard form is written as. You know well, the given number is not in standard form and we need to write in standard. In standard form, you write the number in the power of 10. So look at this, we have this number like this. With unit meter per second. You know well, in this number, the decimal is at this place. Now you need to shift the decimal towards the left hand side to write the number in standard form. So you know well, what's the rule we use here? This is the initial position of the decimal. If you move towards the right, we write the power with the negative, and when you move to the left, then we write the power with the positive. So look at this, how many jumps we can do for that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So finally you can write this as 3.0 into 10, 8 meter per second. Now check what are the options we have. The option A is 3 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter per second. 3 into 10 centimeter per second. Option C, 3 into 10 8 power meter per second and 3 into 10 9 meter per second. So according to the calculation, option C is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? This type of question you need to learn what are vectors and scalar quantity. Let's check one by one. Speed is a scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. And power is a scalar quantity. So in this given option, the vector quantity is displacement. That's why C is the right answer. Question number 4. A car starts from rest. It acquires a speed of 25 meter per second after 20 seconds. The distance traveled by the car during this time is. In step 1, first we will write what are the things given and required. When object starts from rest, it means its initial velocity is 0. The final velocity of the object is given 25 meter per second. And the object covers some distance in 20 seconds. Time is 20. Now the question is, calculate the distance traveled by the car. By using equation of motion, we can write twice of AS is equals to VF square minus VI squared. Let's make S as a subject, so you can write S is equals to VF squared minus VI squared over twice of A. This is equation 1. We cannot calculate the distance traveled by using this equation directly because we don't know the value of acceleration here. Now we are going to step 2. That will give us the value of acceleration. By using this equation of motion, acceleration is equals to Vf minus Vi divided by time. To calculate the acceleration, you can write the numbers as the final velocity, that is 25, minus initial velocity is 0, and divided by time, that is 20. When you divide 25 with 20, we get 1.25 meter per second squared. Now you can substitute this value of acceleration in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is S is equals to final velocity, that is 25, make it squared, minus initial 0, divided by 2 times acceleration, 2 into 1.25. The square root of 25, it gives 625 minus 0. When you multiply 2 with 1.25, we get 2.5. And now 625 we are going to divide with 2.5, and finally we get 250. So that is the final answer. Now check with the options. Option A is 31.25 meter, B is 250 meter, C is 500 meter, D is 5000 meter. After the calculation we got 250 meter, so option B is the right answer. Question number 5. Inertia depends upon, and options are force, net force, mass, and D is velocity. You know well, Newton's first law of motion is also called the law of inertia, and inertia of an object depends upon only its mass. If an object has more mass, it will have more inertia. So in this option, C is the correct answer. Now question number 6. We have a mathematical expression. Pf minus Pi divided by time is equals to which quantity? In options we have m, a, m by d, and m times a. First you need to know what is Pf, Pi, and t. P is the symbol used for momentum, and Pf means final momentum. And final momentum of an object, you can write its mass and its final velocity. Pi is initial momentum, and it is equal to mass of the object and its initial velocity. And t is the time. Now the equation is given Pf minus Pi divided by time. Now you can substitute the value of Pf, Pi in this equation. The Pf is m times Vf minus Pi is m times Vi and divided by time. In the right hand side, the mass is common. M is equals to Vf minus Vi divided by time. And you can write like this: m times Vf minus Vi divided by time. And you know well, m times this factor, that is Vf minus Vi divided P, that is equivalent to acceleration. So finally, at the right hand side, we got mass time acceleration. Now check the options. A was m, B is a, D is m by d, and option D is m times a. That's the final answer. Question number 7. A body is in equilibrium when we have 4 options. Acceleration is uniform, speed is uniform, speed and acceleration are uniform, and last, acceleration is 0. Remember the basic condition for equilibrium: the net force must be 0. This equation gives a clear vision. If net force is 0, that means acceleration of the object is also 0. That's why the option D is the correct answer. Question number 8. Earth gravitational force of attraction vanished at 6,400 km, B infinity, C 42,300 km, D 1,000 km. Earth gravitational force of attraction is decreases when objects moves away from the earth, and when you move at a distance up to infinity, it becomes zero or vanish. That's why option B is the right answer. Question number 9. The work done in lifting a brick of mass 2 kg through a height of 5 meter above the ground will be 2.5 joule, 10 joule, 50 joules or 100 joule. First we need to write the equation of work done. The work done is equals to force times displacement. In case of lifting an object, the force applied on the object it's equal to its weight. So you can write here the force is equals to m times g, that is the weight of the object, multiply the height gain. The mass of the object is given 2 kg. G, the gravitational field strength, you know well, it is 10, and the height is 5 meter. Now multiply all the numbers and we get 100. And you know well, work is measured in joules. Now check with the options. A is 2.5 joule, B is 10, C is 50, D is 100 joule. So option D is the correct option. Question number 10. 1 PA is equals to, that is the question. PA is the short form of Pascal, and you need to select the 1 Pascal is equals to 8 Newton per meter square, 4 Newton per meter square, 2 Newton per meter square or 1 Newton per meter square. First we will write the equation of pressure. Pressure is equals to force per unit area. You know well the force is measured in Newton and area is squared meter. So the pressure becomes Newton per meter square, and pressure is also measured in Pascal. When you write the 1 Pascal means 1 Newton per meter square. Check the options again, and option D is the correct answer. Question number 11. Mercury is used as a thermometric material because you have 4 options. A. Non-uniform thermal expansion, B. High freezing point, C. Small heat capacity, D. No color. Mercury is used as thermometric material because it has a small heat capacity. So in this given option, C is the right answer. Number 12. Which one of the following is a good radiator of heat? And we have 4 options. A shiny silver surface, B. A dull black surface, C. A white surface, D. A green colored surface. Remember one thing, dull black surfaces are good absorber and good radiator of heat. That's why option B is the correct answer. Thank you very much for watching the video. I suggest you follow the playlist of the channel. Here you will find all the things you need in your FBISE physics. So keep watching Physics with SAFDAR for better results in exam. See you in the next lesson. Share this video, subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Keep watching Physics with SAFDAR.